Wow, yeah, 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 yo. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Hello kids, how are you today? I have some animal toys, but they are very dirty. I need to clean. Today, I will show you how to clean my animal toys. Let's start. Now, I will pour some water. Yay! Yeah! Yo! Yes, this is water. Now I will give here some shampoo. Yay! Yeah! Oh, bubble. Yeah. Okay, now this is ready. This is dirty leopard. Yeah, leopard. Yellow color leopard. Yeah. This is rhinoceros. Yeah. Yo. Yo. Oh. This is dirty tiger. Wow. Tiger. Nice tiger. It has 4 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yay. Tiger. This is giraffe. Oh, giraffe. Oh, this is lion. Ha 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 ha. Lion, the king of the jungle. Lion. Oh 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 oh. E. This is turtle. Wow. It has green color on the head. Wow. This is dinosaur. Wow. Nice dinosaur. This is zebra. Oh, haha. Zebra. Zebra. White color zebra. This is lizard. Green color lizard, green color lizard. Wow. Now I will clean this. Wow. Yeah, 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 yo. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Wash. I'm washing. Giraffe, leopard, zebra, dinosaur, lion, rhinoceros. Ooh, wash, 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 wash. Turtle, where is the turtle? Yes, yes. This is my turtle animal toys. All animal toys are very beautiful to see. Wow. They are now very clean. Wow. Everything is okay. Okay. I finished my job. Okay. I will dry, then it will be very clean. Okay. It will be very glazy. Wow. They are very clean. Okay. Yeah. Yo. Yeah. 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 Okay, kids. Bye-bye.